Greetings, students. Welcome to XCOR 1011, Section 7, Socrates and the City. This is Dr. Schafer, and I just wanted to create a short introductory video to put on Brightspace for folks who are navigating to our Brightspace page for the first time. So what I'd like to do in this video is to briefly introduce myself and then also say a few things about the class and instruct you how to get started on Brightspace, where to go to find some materials, okay? So look, I'm home alone. My kids have just gone off to school a little while ago. This is actually Monday morning of the first day of class. I've got two beautiful 5-year-old twins, and they're in kindergarten right now. I've got a lovely wife, and we've got a dog too. She's outside, so it's possible she may start barking at any minute because I'm in the room adjacent to where outside is in our backyard. I've been teaching at Xavier for over 20 years now. The time has really flown. I enjoy it quite a bit. This is the second time that I've offered this XCOR class. The class is going to be a little bit different this time. So let me use this as a transition to talk a little bit about the class. Now, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to run this class as intended. It was originally intended as a service learning course, and the service learning project involved sending you guys out to middle schools to coach middle school debate teams. So there's a really strong debate component to this class, which will be retained, but unfortunately I'm not going to be able to offer you that service learning experience of going to the middle schools. This is another pandemic casualty. I haven't been able to do this for a couple of years now, unfortunately, because of COVID. So basically what we're going to do in this class is we're going to use the figure of Socrates, the great Greek philosopher Socrates, as a kind of foundation for asking some really important questions about the nature of justice, what it means to be a good citizen, what it means to be a just member of a city. The class is called Socrates and the City. So we're going to mainly read two books in this class, one of which I'm going to provide for you as a PDF document, and that is called Apology. It's often referred to as Plato's Apology because Plato was the author, but Socrates is the main figure, and that's where we'll start the semester. And then the other main text that we'll use is Plato's Republic, and that's something that I've ordered for the class, and I want to emphasize that you should get exactly the edition of Plato's Republic that you'll find on the syllabus, and that's the one translated by Alan Bloom, so you don't want to get a different translation. So the book budget for this class is really cheap because the Republic, I think you could get a used copy for around $10, and a new copy might be $15, and that's really all you'll need to do for the class. Let me say a little bit about how the grade is going to work for this class, because I know that's what students like to know initially. There will be 4 pieces to the final grade. Each piece will count the same percentage. So each will be worth 25% or 1/4 of the grade. And that is going to be quizzes. We'll have regular quizzes. You will have a number of short writing assignments, a number of reflective writing assignments, and then you will be involved in 2 formal debates. And there are lots of details about that on the syllabus. So let me make the transition to Brightspace now and tell you how to get key information for this class on Brightspace. If you're watching this video, you've made it to the front page of our Brightspace page for the class. And basically what you want to do is you want to go to the content button at the top of the screen. That's part of the menu that's up at the top. And if you hit the content button, that will take you to it'll go to table of contents when you hit it for the first time, but you'll see a menu on the left-hand margin, and that menu includes the units of the course And I've got Unit 1 and Unit 2 posted there right now. And then down at the bottom, there's a link called Course Materials. So if you click on the Course Materials link, which is there at the bottom of that left-hand menu, you'll be able to find the syllabus and the rubric that I'm going to use for grading the short writing assignments, the rubric for the reflective writing assignments, and some other things. I've posted some debate materials there. You don't really need to worry about that yet. But the main thing is that you want to check out the syllabus because that's where you're going to get the most information about the class, okay? And then once you do that, if you want to get started looking at what the next couple of weeks are going to look like, click on the Unit 1 link, also there on the left-hand menu. That's called Plato's Apology, Introduction to Socrates, and you'll see some more detailed information there. So I want to wish everyone a fantastic semester. Hope you enjoy your experience in this class, and I'll see you soon. Bye.